I got a Mosin. I got a Mosin. Well, looky what we have here. A Finnish Mosin. Let's finish this Mosin.
This is a Finnish Mosin. It is a M27 Finnish Mosin.
And we're going to talk about some differences here, just easily noticeable stuff. We got the Finnish, which is 1928, and then we got my original Russian, which is a 43. Alright, so one difference is how they manufacture these stocks. It was a solid body except for this add-on section. And in the original slash Finnish, they actually dovetailed and notched it right under the bolt. Takedown is very similar, except extremely different. So these are screwed in, not clamped in. Exact same layout. This is a hex one because it's an older, so it's forged. It's a little heavier. I don't have a weight on them yet. We'll get that at some point. Same breakdown. Bolts much smoother. Finish. On this we have 2 screws, one in the back holding this clamp, and one in the front holding the gate lock. Yep. One more screw needs to come out. It's whatever you would call this thingamajigger, McBob. If you know what that is, feel free to comment it. This front retainer, after you unscrew it, you're going to have to slide it off. That way your ring can clear, and you can go ahead and take out your barrel. It is a heavier stock, though. I'm not crazy. It feels heavier.
Yeah, this feels way heavier.
Okay. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and lightly clean this off before finishing breaking down the trigger. Get under there and then put some oil on it. That's staying in. Ship it.
No.
Well, somebody never broke it down. Woo!
Oh, you didn't do a trigger pull.
Ooh, good call. Check trigger weight. Fuck's Daddy. Coming in right around 5 pounds. Take off the trigger next. Oh, that's tight.
Did you hit it with oil?
Yeah. Mother of God. Unfortunately, I can't really get the trigger out, so I'm just going to soak it in some WD-40, set it to the side, and see if we can take it down later. Biggest difference I could see is the sear contact points. Same exact breakdown, though. Oh, so this is actually a tool. That's how you unwind it, if you would do it the traditional way.
Good straight.
I don't do it that way because that's easier.
Yes, it is.
And it's under tension, so it kind of shoots out. Springs look the same. Firing pin looks a little worse for the wear, but that's also dirty. Bolt carrier just looks dirty. I mean, less chatter in certain areas. Similar tooling marks, though. It looks both rougher and better. I don't know how to explain that.
Dirty. I have one of those fucking cleaning tubs.
I have a small one.
The
Sonic cleaner?
Yeah, that's what it is.
I got the jewelry sonic cleaner.
No.
Maybe if SDI.edu sponsors me, then I can get a bigger one. Maybe I can learn what I'm doing. A little bit of tool marking in there. It's just dirtier than anything.
Yeah.
Dirtier than shit.
Probably never been fucking broke down from the amount of fucking dust and shit in it.
Yeah.
It's like somebody just put it on a shelf and let it sit.
Let it sit. You want to polish it, or you don't care enough?
Polish it? Like on a wheel?
No, I was just going to hit it with a Dremel.
Oh, yeah. I mean... absolutely cover that bitch in oil. It's not a lapping matter.
Oh, someone fucked up.
Oh.
Look at that. Ugh. Come on, machinist in 1923. Get your shit together. That would never pass quality.
No. Smooth that bitch out.
I mean, it's already smooth as hell. Like, I'm not doing much. I'm just cleaning it up more than anything. It's already super clean. Feeling, I'm just going to clean up the dirt more than anything. I kind of want to take that to the wheel. But I still need to make an arbor for my wheel. One spot looks good. One spot looks like a fucking mirror. I mean, it's like the actual like engagement point, because that's what actually pinches up and then it twists. It's like right there. You can see the mirrorness of it. Yeah. So they went insane on the parts that are like super critical. Which is kind of what I'd expect. Little cleaner. Happy with it. You want to sand that, or you want to just clean up the surface rust? Or do you want to polish? Because like honestly, it rides good. I don't know how it shoots, but even you felt that the ride for it was good.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's good. I don't want to fuck with it too much.
Okay. I'm not fucking with it then. Let's go and throw that biatch back together. Same exact process. I'm just gonna verify the firing pin is in good position. It looks good. Well, or verify that at the range. Let's recess about where it was. Okay. Let's see if that trigger's loose now. Nope. And I am not going to snap that head off. So that's as far as we're going to get today. Alright, since I can't get the trigger off, I'll go ahead and show you guys up close. So oil, dab it off, really spread that shit out. Fucking get in all the goddamn nooks and crannies.
Beat up.
I'll set that aside for now.
A frog in here?
Did you just shit your pants?
A Finnish Mosin.
They're expensive. I cannot afford that shit. Assemble's the exact same as the other one. It's the same way you took it off. It's not the same. There we go. It's the exact same.
Again.
And put your heat shield in place.
Oh, God,
Swear to God.
I'm losing it over here.
Slide your clamp on. Take your clamp off. Slide your ring on. Slide your clamp on.
Oh, good old behind
Close
the
your clamp.
scenes.
Slide your slide. Take your slide off. Open your clamp. Put it on the right way.
This is what happens behind the scenes of your videos.
It's a real shit show. So slide your ring on the correct way. Slide your clamp on. Close your clamp if you want or don't. I don't care. It's your life. Get it in position and go ahead and screw everything. Like this rifle. Screw this rifle. Oh, do you remember which screws were which?
Are you fucking serious? You're the one that took it apart.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Oh,
I just do
God.
shit. Do shit.
It's a better goddamn screwdriver, man.
Pittsburgh, goddamn Harbor Freight. Screw it.
Work on this $500 gun with this $5 screwdriver.
It's like $19.29 plus tax.
You overpaid.
Honestly, the fact that it's ratcheting, everyone loves it. Like,
Yeah.
so we'll just go ahead and screw this up, and screw that up. I thought I was recording, but I was not. And that's the step that you screw them. And you don't screw yourself, because you get screwed. Go ahead and drop your mag back in. Ooh, man, that finish in there is so nice. Get it? Finish? Like the country that made it? The Finns? I don't know, bro. You think I've taken these apart before? And screw your mag on. Oh, it's actually going to be perfect. Alright, I actually just want to show you the difference of craftsmanship. We got every single bolt.
Oh, yes.
Line, dropping rifle in the forward direction. Bolts lined up. That's oddly satisfying. And drop the bolt back in.
So smooth.
And it shouldn't change anything, but we'll check the trigger pull.
Gosh.
Alright. 5 and a bit. I don't remember what it was before, but we'll see what the difference is. That has been the Finnish Mosin Nagant. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Here we go.
Horse dick.